Hello everyone, welcome to this quick video where we will take a look at this tiny branded laptop that I purchased completely untested at a car boot sale for the total sum of £5. In part 1 we will take a look at the condition of the laptop and see if it powers on, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now it's time to power on the laptop for the first time, and no explosions, but we can hear that the cooling fan has seen better days. This just required some oil and a service, which I did off of camera. Now let's see if it will boot. Well, it boots, but it looks like the hard drive has failed. So to save time messing around with an unknown hard drive, we'll just replace it. Let's go. With the hard drive replaced, it's time to install an operating system. We will use Windows XP as there is a COA sticker on the bottom of the laptop. So there we have it. The laptop is fully up and running with all of the drivers installed. That will be it for part 1. In part 2 we will clean the laptop and try out some games. Thanks for watching.